Hi Dwellis, I'm Sam. I thought I would just pop in to give you a quick overview of the Lofty CRM. Just going to go over the essentials, the basics you need to know to get started and get your productivity up and running and close those deals, shall we? This is not everything, just the key stuff to get you started fast. So let's go. You can click the icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will take you to your dashboard. Your dashboard is your personalized command center. You can customize it to your preferred workflows, to the features that you find useful in your business. There's an education center. What you'll learn in the Learning Center is helpful. However, a lot of it is about stuff you gotta pay for extra, which is cool. But we're not going to talk about that today. It's all here. New leads, opportunities, pipeline value, appointments, tasks that you have set up for yourself, business goals. Oh, Lofty. I don't remember putting those numbers in there, but thank you. Challenge accepted. I should mention, I had my business fragmented. CRM was here, and then I was doing social posts over here, and then I'm in the process of getting everything into one place. So I'm a little bare bones here. So next, we are going to go over to the people, and this is where the people are. I know, it rocked my world. The people section is for your entire database. We're talking friends, leads, clients, sphere, family, vendors, other agents, drifters, whatever. You put them all in here. There's a place for everyone. There are 3 ways to add contacts to your database. You can add them manually, which we're not going to do right this second. You can bulk import. So if you have a CSV file or an EXL, XCL, CVS file, spreadsheet, if you have a spreadsheet, you can upload there. There is a template. You can organize your spreadsheet in a way Lofty recognizes. We'll talk about it later. I did it the hard way first. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in the contacts section, but there is something I do want to point out to you that is extraordinarily important. If you don't feel like spending hours and hours later on clicking stuff, basically put their information, name, last name, and email address, phone number, address, all the information you have for someone. The more info you have, the better. If you're missing, say, an address, that's a good excuse to reach out and touch them and say, hey, I was updating my contacts and I didn't have your address. What is it? Also, would you like to buy a house? There's nuance to it, but you get the point. Consent to contact is, I'm going to spend an extra second on the consent to contact because it is very important. Consent to contact. This is, do I have consent to contact this person? Duh, lady, it says it right there. What this is not, I am not affirming whether this person is or is not on the do not call registry. I'm just saying, do I have permission to talk to them? If you have a relationship at all, you have permission to contact them. There is social permission if you're friends on Facebook, if you're friends in real life, if you had any sort of conversation, if you've blinked at each other from across the room. Okay, maybe not that one. Well, actually, if you can get this information from blinking across the room, I have further questions. But I have social permission to contact this person. They may at any time revoke that permission. That doesn't mean bye, Felicia. That just means I don't want your emails. As an example, a lot of friends have added me to their mailing lists to things. I don't like a cluttered inbox. I find it overwhelming. So most of my friends that add me to lists, I unsubscribe. It's not personal. If they don't want to receive my emails, they unsubscribe from the digest or something. Okay. It doesn't mean I can't contact them ever again. Well, what happens if they unsubscribe from emails and all of a sudden they want to subscribe again because now we're shopping for homes? Cool. That will take us to our next page. The contact card. The contact card is, once again, something you personalize to your flavor. It shows you all of your contact information as well as your communications with this person, any upcoming appointments, things you've done, closings. Everything is all in one place, and I love that. So you go into their details here, right here. And just like the screen prior, we can go in and correct. Not going to do that, though. My point is, it can be fixed after it's put in. Nothing here is set in stone. Once you click on a contact, you have their whole story. Got info, lead source, where they came from, assigned agent, every interaction you've had with them via text, call, email, Facebook. We'll get into that later. It keeps everything in one central space, so there's no having piecemeal information. When did I contact them last? I gotta check my phone, all the things. This contact card is a great place to monitor your interaction and relationship with this person. Just a tester outer contact I made, but it will allow me to show you the tags. Now, what are tags? So we'll come down here to tags. Tags is where you tell the system who this is and what they want. Tags are super crucial. use them. It's how you find who you need instantly. It also tells the system I've done with these people, e.g., I want them to receive the dwell as double, do I want them to receive invites, whatever. Create your own tags to organize in your own ways, or the ones that Haley has put in there for you to use for team. So now that we have those tags, what the heck do we do with them? Well, we go back out to people. Now that we have a full contact card with name, address, email, phone number, we've also added tags to where they came from, what they are, what they're getting. When we need to find people quickly, we can just go up to the filter section right here. Say I want to find all my leads in Fairfax. Anyone that lives in Fairfax. I should come back to this because that is not how you spell Bobby. Anywho, all right, next up we have transactions. Now that we have people in our database and we have them tagged and we know what's going on. Also, reminder, I have not brought all my thingies here so that it's all, so I've done more than a rental. Listen, Lofty wouldn't think I'm on par for $1 million if it didn't think I was awesome. So, moving on, provided you've put them in, this is where you'll find all your transactions. Asterisk. There is a lot of upfront work when it comes to setting up Lofty, when it comes to setting up a CRM or any platform. Once it's set up, it works well. There is a lot of energy required upfront to put your transactions in because we're not starting with one contact or one friend, you know what I'm saying? So there is a lot of upfront legwork before you can have a real, pretty setup. Next up, we have calendar. The calendar is super duper helpful. The reason I love this so much is because one, you can connect any calendar. As I set them up, I will make videos so that we can all set our stuff up together. Currently, you can connect your email, personal email, work email, social media email, kids emails. The nice thing about the calendar and its integrations is there's no more double booking. You can schedule everything, sign tasks, set reminders, stay on track, showing time calendar, client information. It's all here. Second asterisk. Asterisk number 2, Lofty is robust. There are about 95 ways to do each thing. From here, you can schedule tasks. You can assign appointments. From the client page, you can assign tasks. Thing-in, to-do list, you can send an email. From the listing page, you can send emails and update your social media. So there's a lot of ways to do one thing. It's just finding the thing that makes most sense inside your noodle. Listings. This is direct access to our MLS. Yes, you can get on Bright, and Bright, of course, is going to be more robust in its MLS-ness, but for general day-to-day operations, this is a fantabulous place. You can search properties, but more importantly, you can set up property alerts for your clients. This is how we provide ongoing value, stay top of mind. You can see what they've clicked on, what they don't like, heart things, make lists of stuff like that. They can search themselves. It's a super handy tool for you to perch on their shoulder and watch what they're doing, you know what I'm saying? But in a cute, ethical way. Next up, we're going to go to the marketing tab. I like the marketing tab. The marketing tab is where you can manage all of your social media, create print marketing, email, create brochures, print campaigns, set up, automatically send to your clients via email, via social media, via mail, via mailer, via AI, via smart plan, via drip. There's a lot to do here. There's a lot of ways we can touch our clients. You will want to set it up to automatically post to your social media for you. You want it to automatically send your clients emails. This is the place to be. This video, short and sweet, I'm going to touch on hot topics right quick. Smart plans. Smart plans are automated campaigns. This is where Lofty automates your life. Email sequences, texts, task reminders, they do the follow-up for you. That's the case. Know that this is a place that you can seriously leverage time because it does a lot of stuff for you backstage. I do want to scroll to the bottom here down to tools. This is where we talked about landing pages. We'll go more deeply, but this is one of those things that you can kind of click around and you can't break anything in this tab. So I would encourage you to go in, poke around, just fiddle with it. Social Studio. Connect all your social medias. You can schedule posts out. You can have auto post for you. As soon as it goes pending, it goes to sold, it will auto post for you on whatever social media you choose. Go to settings. This is where you'll set up your digital business card. Fill out your information. This is where you're going to connect all your social media. And something I find super handy that I'm working on right now are checklists. Great, now that I'm under contract, what do I do? Oh, my checklist says to schedule the inspection. So my organization, this is also a pretty helpful spot to find all of us. If you ever need to know how to find people, we're here. So that's the core of Lofty. We've got your dashboard, people, calendar, connections, transactions, campaigns, listings, marketing, integrations, powerful stuff. Lofty is robust and there's a lot to it. It can feel very overwhelming. My advice? Get in, start clicking on things, look around. I'll make more training videos, but don't be afraid to experiment. You can't break it. And that is how you will find out what way you prefer to do the things. There are 10 different places you can create a social post from. Whichever way works for you best is, well, you gotta go find it, right? Questions? Let me know. If there's anything that you're particularly stuck on, holler back. Woo woo. Now, obviously, if you're gonna go all, I just do it myself, you're gonna want a good agent. But if you want a great agent, me and the Dwellers team can help. If you've got mixed information, confused about where to start, have doubts if it's even possible, suffered analysis paralysis, maybe you're new to the DMV, over a century of experience means there's nothing we cannot accommodate. We'll guide you with full service and transparency or help find the right agent near you. So important to meet trusted advisor first so you can maximize your results. Click on the link down there or text the number you see up here for a free strategy session with me and my team. Because you don't need just an agent, you need a Dwellers agent. Let's talk.